Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. If you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Today we are going to make another beautiful Indian appetizer, Salmon Tikka. If you're a salmon lover, this is for you. But if you want to replace salmon to another fish, you can definitely use any firm white fish for this recipe. This recipe is super easy, it doesn't need a lot of marination time, nothing. You just combine them together and throw it in the oven. That simple and that easy. To start off with, I have 1 pound salmon that is skinned and cut into big size cubes. It's a good idea to use the center part of the salmon. That way you don't use the tail part. You do not want the tail part because I have little one here which is not that great for this recipe. I have 1 tablespoon ginger garlic finely grated, half a juice of lemon, salt as needed. Now combine them well together. This is the first marination we are doing. Once it's well combined, just set it aside while we prepare the second marinade with spinach and lime leaves. 1 cup of spinach. Put them in the food processor or hand blender, it's up to you. I have half a cup of mint leaves and half a cup of coriander leaves with the stems. I always tell this, always make sure you use the stems, with especially for the recipe that calls for marination with cilantro. I'm using lime leaf. If you don't get them in regular market, you will be able to find in the Asian market. I'm going to stem it. Also, you can find it online, probably Amazon, I guess. So you can also store it in the refrigerator in an airtight bag if you have excess. I'm also using a chili that is seeded and cut into half. You can use chili as per your taste. And I'm using half a lemon juice. Now squeeze the lemon juice into the coriander and make into a smooth paste. In a skillet, I'm adding 1 teaspoon oil and 1 tablespoon gram flour, also known as yellow split flour. Just saute it for a couple of minutes till it has nice aroma. Do not burn it, it just needs to be golden yellowish. Now in the green mixture, I'm adding 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Just combine them well and set it aside. In a small bowl, I have 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Just give it a quick stir. And now go ahead and add this gram flour that we just sauteed it in oil. Now mix it well until all combined. Just transfer it into a green marinade that we just made. Now give it a quick stir until all well combined. Add this mixture to the salmon that we have marinated. Now mix them well. If you want, you can refrigerate for an hour, but it's not necessary. But if you think you want more flavors into it, you can definitely do that. I haven't marinated mine. I have placed a cookie sheet and the wire rack on top. I'm going to place the salmon pieces on top of the wire rack, leaving little space between each. Now preheat your oven at 380 degrees and cook for 12 to 15 minutes until the fish is done. Flip them once in between cook time so that it evenly browns both sides. As you can see, the fish is nicely cooked through and it's brown and it looks good. You can simply serve this with red onions, lemon wedges, and sprinkle some chaat masala on top. It's so simple. And if you like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.